How to record shows on Tata Sky HD set-top box. I'm going to show you how to record shows on Tata Sky HD set-top box. Recording is only available on the Tata Sky Plus HD box, which comes with built-in storage. If you have a regular HD box, you won't be able to record shows alone. Next up is to find the show you want to record. Press the guide button on your remote, browse through the channels, and select the show you want to record. Once you've selected the show, just press the recording button or the REC button on your remote control. You'll see a confirmation message that recording has started. To schedule a recording, highlight an upcoming show in the guide, press record and select record event. That way you can save that episode or record series to save all future episodes. To watch your saved content, press guide and then recorded TV, select your show and press play.